Today we're making another overly complicated simple drink.
Right to the
blender.
Oh, like a Cobra.
Yeah, it's called the Cobra. It's going to be awesome, though.
Nailed it.
Venom.
Nailed it.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. It's really just Ian. Ian's going to make a cocktail.
Yeah.
And me and Doug and I, it's some English, and that's the way you're supposed to say it.
Sure.
We're going to editorialize.
Okay.
So we're going to do here. So
That's lemon juice.
Lime juice.
Wait,
Lime juice. That's lime juice.
I'm already fucking it up.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
It's a half ounce of lime
good.
juice.
All right.
Right? Yep, should be. And a half ounce of orange juice. And then a half ounce of passion fruit syrup from BG Reynolds. Available probably at awesomeDrinks.com. I don't know if I'm going to carry. I'm not going to carry BG. I'm not going to carry syrups anymore at awesomeDrinks.com. So if you want to get it, use Summer 1. Here you go. Save 20% off at awesomeDrinks.com. Once my BG Reynolds are gone, once my Library Co are gone, I'm not going to carry syrups anymore because like nobody buys them, so they just sit there. Also, we're going to have a dash of angostura bitter, 4 drops of pernod. We're going to use an ounce of 151. This is Lemonhart Demerara rum. We talked a little bit about Demerara rum. This recipe is focused primarily on the fact that it's an overproof. So Demerara or not, there's fantastic overproofs. This one by chance is awesome. You can get some OFTD, 69%, which is, if you do the math, it's a lot of percentages. So proof. High proof.
We're very much fans of plantation brands.
Yeah.
Wow, that's right. 138 is we had. This is only 150. Oh, it's higher.
It's higher.
Bigger is the number.
Yeah, bigger. Yeah.
So you're gonna blend this with crushed ice. Put it in an immersion blender. If you like, I don't want an immersion blender, Derek. You're just being a dumbass. Then put it in a shaker with crushed ice and shake it for like 5 seconds, and you're gonna be good. What?
Wow, look at you being so precise.
Ian is being precise
because I've been burned by pernod before.
You've over pernod things.
Pernod will rip you. We made a zombie once with way too much pernod.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think he was doing this. Like you just drip it like this and then
Yeah.
like whatever.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't. No.
So
Did you
pernod.
make the drink?
We all understood that. Wow, there's a lot of crushed ice in there, Holmes.
Yeah, it's been sitting there, too.
All right.
Oh, yeah?
Drill it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. I like it.
Yeah. It doesn't like that.
Went a little too fast.
Whoa. Easy there.
Riding lightning on that one. Sorry about
there.
that. So this, by the way, didn't mention it.
Too much of that.
It was definitely too much jerking. This recipe is called the Cobra. For those that don't know how to read the title of the episode.
Yep.
How's that look? Fantastic, fantastic, right there on the Cobra. You know why? Because it's got a fucking venom.
That was crushing packed ice. That's why I couldn't jam in there.
Knock 3 times on the ceiling.
If you want me twice on the pipe, if the answer is no.
Oh, crushed ice in there.
I can hear.
Chewing your drink.
Yeah. Rawr.
There you go.
Not too overproofy. So, overproof rum, by the way, lots of flavor in overproof rum. The problem is you can't taste it because it's overproof rum and it burns your face up and you get all like funny faces happen. So the way you get over dealing with the overproof rum is you dilute the shit out of it. And you dilute it down.
You just blow that onto the bar.
It's like a
Turns
booger.
out, straws suck of ice.
Yeah, it's like a little booger.
Yeah.
So
Trouble geese.
You get boogers stuck in your straws often?
yeah. It's like when people are like, and this in the bathroom, and you're like, come on, dude.
There are dollar bills.
Hey, what's up, cokehead? Yeah. Woo.
You're such a druggie.
You want to go snort some blow? Yeah, let's go do some coke.
Let's go hit that snow mountain.
Yeah. You want to do some lines?
What's happening right now?
I don't know.
Peer pressure, that's what's happening.
Sometimes, yeah.
So
let's go do some blow. I like saying blow. Sorry, you do your show.
It rhymes with blow.
Yeah. Get it? Show blow. Hey, let's go to the blow show. Get it? You watch people do blow.
Yeah, I get it.
Good, I know.
So Lemonhart, overproof in general. Notice how dark this is because it's dimmer. But in general, overproof. The beauty of overproof is you put that and rest it in oak, and it sucks the flavors out of everything. Alcohol extracts really well. High proof alcohol
Extracts
really
even better.
well. So when you have overproof
Hence
rum,
bitters.
right, which are high proof alcohol in a very small droplet.
Right.
If you have, which gives you all the flavor. This is going to draw all the flavor out of the barrels. Plus, it's got its rich molasses because it's a Demerara rum. And for some reason, Lemonhart specifically is used for a lot of tikis. Probably was marketed back in the day. I don't know. There's some history behind that. But Lemonhart disappeared for a while, kind of like the Fashionable syrup. But Lemonhart came back strong, and they've just recently relabeled this. I bought this at Total Wine probably 3 months ago because I was like, I need to have this because I'm always afraid it's going to go away.
Right.
And when that goes away, you can't make half the tiki drinks.
Which is insane.
Right. And we've tried back in the day. I think Doug was here for that when we were on that table. We tried it with Hamilton 151. It just doesn't taste the same. So you need to have Lemonhart. If it calls for Lemonhart, if it just says overproof rum, whatever, jet pilots and some other shit, you can throw whatever. I would go with the OFTD from Plantation, but if it calls for Lemonhart, pick Lemonhart if you can get it. And otherwise, tiki drinks with overproof is typically just overproof. You don't need a lot of other alcohol because it's a lot of alcohol to begin with.
It's going to get masked.
Yeah. You add an ounce of overproof, that's basically like a shot and a half, which is an
Or
average drink.
It's layered on top like a scorpion bowl.
Yep, and lit. Do all kinds of cool stuff with it. But overproof's pretty important when it comes to tiki cocktails. There's history. Oh, I see history back here. Not much. Invented in a Kon-Tiki restaurant in 1962. You get yourself the Cobra. I'm guessing it's called the Cobra because there's also another drink called the Cobra Fang, completely different. But I'm guessing because it's got like venom.
For the pernod.
Yeah. Well, although like,
Venom.
well, I'm thinking just because it's overproof, it's dangerous.
Oh, that could be too.
Like,
What color?
that's a tiki drink.
Oh, I
It's
thought
always
that was
orange.
like what cobras do when they get up in the morning.
Well, it kind of looks like if like poison got in your blood, that's what happens to your blood. It clots, right?
Yeah.
And that's why you die, because
Yeah.
your blood clots.
Yeah.
So
It's a
We did
visual
the right-
representation of
Nice.
what the cobra
Is
will
that
do to
really
your
what
innards.
Is that what
I
happens?
learned something today.
yeah, you stick some snake venom in the
In
tube of
blood.
blood,
Yeah.
it just turns into like a blood clot.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's why you die?
Yeah.
You just have an aneurysm?
Well, that and on top of like the
Heart
fear of
attack.
getting bit by a snake, that'll fucking kill you.
Well,
If you're afraid of snakes.
Well, think about the
Not
combination.
so.
Like it's a blood clotting agent,
Yeah.
and now your blood's
Moving
pumping
fast.
faster because
Yeah.
your heart's beat.
It
Yeah.
goes right to your brain?
Yep.
Or
Dude.
the heart.
There's no win there.
No.
No.
Snakes are fucking cruel.
Yeah.
Why do they do that shit?
Well,
Like, I
because-
never bothered them.
Well, see, the thing is,
They-
I think
50 million
those
years
are the ones
before
that got bothered. They got
Oh.
bothered, and they're
They
like,
evolved into death machines.
they
Yeah.
can't really say, "Hey, fuck off," so they bite you.
They
So they're trying to send a message
I
not
don't
just
know.
to you, but everybody like you.
They cobras have the things.
Like a
Rattlesnakes have
bully.
the thing.
Yeah.
Like they already tell me that I see the fuck off is happening. Like I'm hearing it.
All
Like
right.
you dance up in the sky like that.
But they have
man.
predators. There are
Yeah.
snake predators. So
Yeah, like
Fucking honey badger.
Yeah,
Doesn't
honey
give a
badgers,
shit.
Mongooses.
Yep.
those
Yep.
things that
Mongoose
scream like
eye.
babies.
Yeah. Mongoose eye.
What were those things that scream like babies?
Not
Not
meerkats.
Goats?
Meerkats?
No, the shit in the woods that kill dogs
No,
and shit.
the
Fisher
fisher
cats.
cats.
Fisher cat.
Oh.
Okay,
I bet a
cats.
fisher cat. They take out a porcupine. They should be able to take out a cobra.
There we go.
Probably.
They
Let's
flip the
speculate
porcupine
more
over.
on-
We can
Fisher
speculate.
cats are-
Yeah, let's do more
Fact check me on that one.
wildlife cage
Yeah.
matchup speculation.
Put it on
Let's see
YouTube.
who could go.
Didn't they do
against
celebrity
it.
deathmatch back in the day? They could do it with
Yeah.
Yeah.
They've done that on
Yeah.
YouTube.
claymation.
See, I have my money on the honey badger for all the fights until like it's a weight class issue. You know what I mean?
Right. Elephant versus honey badger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or a hippo versus honey badger.
Yeah.
Right. Something like that.
Hippos
I don't know.
can be
Honey badger
dangerous.
is such a cute name.
Hippos
How could
chase
be
you
so
down? Oh my
big?
god.
Well, it
And
just
you don't
doesn't give a fuck.
Yeah.
There you go.
All the fuck is that, right?
That's how it is.
Anyway, I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but you can use Silver One to save yourself 20% off at AwesomeDrinks.com. You can get yourself some Chicago highballs, get yourself D glasses, some syrups and shit like that. I mentioned syrups already. That's good until September 15th.
You mentioned the syrups that you aren't carrying anymore.
Yeah, it might be. I don't know. I can't remember. If I did that. I might have one of
Keep
those.
going.
So you can
Sure,
be the lucky
PSA.
one. You should check it out. Also, there's a sidebar over there. There's going to be more tiki drinks. And then down below, the bartender starter kit. That's not going out of stock. So you can always get yourself a bartender starter kit so that you can start bartending. And by that, I mean drinking at home with friends for fun. That's it. Do shine drink.